Good evening. I have two math problems I'd like to do here, an addition and a subtraction, using this virtual base 10 block simulation. Let's get started. We'll click on activities because I'd like to do the addition one first. Then we'll go over here to the left. We see our tens, our hundreds are not highlighted yet, so I'll go down here at the bottom, click on the hundreds, and now they're highlighted. Our addition problem for this evening is 259 plus 582. Again, that's 259 plus 582. Let's go to our hundreds. And we want to put 200 in our hundreds place. So let's click there. Go to our hundreds place. That's 100, 200. So it's 259. So I need 50 in the tens place, so we'll click on the tens and put 50 in the tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 259. So now I need 9 ones in the ones place. So let's click on the ones. We'll come over here to the ones place, and we need 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 259. Now we'll go down here below here and we'll click on hundreds because now I need 500 in the hundreds place. It's 582. So we'll click on the hundreds. And here in the hundreds place, we'll put 500. So that's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. 582, so I need 80, so I'll go here to my tens, click on the tens, go to the tens place, and put 80 here in the tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 582, so we'll go to our ones, and then come to our ones place and put 2 ones here. So that's 1, 2. So that's 259 plus 582. Let's line this up. Okay, and then we're going to add it. And here's what we have as our answer. So that's in the hundreds place, that's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Then we move to the tens place. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's 800 so far. 700 in the hundreds place, 100 here in the tens. It's 800. Then we have 10, 20, 30 more in the tens. Then we go over to the ones, and that's 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So again, that's 700 plus the 100 in the tens here. That's 800 with 30 more here in the tens, plus 11 here in the ones. So then that's 841. So let's put that in our box here, 841, and we'll check it. Excellent. All right, let's go on to our subtraction problem. So we will clear the work mat, and then we'll go to activities, and this time we want to click on subtract. So we're no longer highlighted here, so we'll go down below here, click on the hundreds, and then we're highlighted. And our subtraction problem for this evening is 651 minus 363. Again, that's 651 minus 363. So we want to put 600 in our hundreds place. So we'll click on the hundreds and we'll put 600 here. That's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. That's 600 there. 651. So we're going to click on our tens and we're going to put 50 in our tens place. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 651. So we'll click on our ones, go over to our ones place and put a 1 there. So that's 651. Okay, let's line these up. Now, that's 651 minus 363. So we can already see that there's not enough ones in here. So we're going to have to regroup. So we'll click on the subtract button here. We have our regroup buttons that pops up. And so I need at least 3 ones here to make up the 3 in the ones place. So we need to go over to the tens place and regroup. Okay, so now I have enough for my 3, that is. We have enough here, so we'll click on 1, 2, 3. See it there? Okay, now it's 363. So here in the tens place, we only have 10, 20, 30, 40. That's not enough. So therefore, we're going to have to go over to our hundreds place to regroup. Okay, now we have enough. So let's count out 60. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we have our 60 there. And now we need 300 from the hundreds place. So that's 100, 200, 300. And this is what we have left for our answer. So that's 100, 200 in the hundreds place. In the tens place, there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then in our ones place, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. So that's 288. Let's put that in, 288, and let's check. Excellent. Well, thank you for your time.